first, make sure to knock out the like button in the next 5 seconds.
Do you ever just get down on your knees and thank God that you know me?
Welcome back, Shade Squad. Today we are going to talk about Nvts stock. It dropped on earnings and people have been asking me, hey, do you think it's a buy? So I'm going to give you my thoughts, and from there we'll go talk about the technicals and get into any strategy that you could potentially use here and take advantage of any patterns that this stock loves to repeat. But first, make sure to knock out the like button in the next 5 seconds. For those of you new to the stock market show, this show focuses on common sense investing by buying good companies at cheap prices that trend on the yearly time frame and generating income by abusing stock market patterns. So if you're tired of finance YouTubers that go blah blah blah, don't actually help you make money by giving you a game plan, then this is the channel for you. Now, with the intro out of the way, let's talk about the technicals here on NVTS. NVTS stock, again, keep it simple, stupid. KISS principle, keep it simple, stupid. We know that's the high, right? Every time we come up here, what happens? We get pushed down every single time. The day we break above that, guess what? It's going to pull in APLD and it's going to go higher. We look at APLD and what happened, right? Let's go to the monthly time frame and you'll notice something. Wow, it was in a trading range, and on the monthly time frame in a big trading range, then it broke out and went higher, and it's on its way to 15 plus. So NVTS, the day that it breaks 10, guess where we're going? We're going to 12, then 15, because those tend to be big levels. I don't know why it's always 12 and then 15, but I've noticed that a lot of these stocks, when they break out above 10, they go to 12, and then if they can break above 12, they go to 15. So those would be your targets right there, at least short term. You can see here, yeah. So it would, yeah, we got resistance here, and then another big resistance up here. I mean, if we can break, yeah, it would be very bullish if this breaks out. But as of right now, it is at a discount. It is using the 50 EMA as support. Funny enough, APLD was also using the 50 EMA as support, so might be a good opportunity. If there's a buy, if there ever is a buying opportunity, it's right here, right now. It's right here, right now, at that 50 EMA. Buyers showed up as well, and we have a lot of support here. So let me grab my rectangle tool. This whole zone here is like buyers show up and push it up higher. Buyers show up, push it higher. Here it pulled back, trying to go lower. Buyers showed up and pushed it up higher. So for all intents and purposes, since June 5th, we've been going sideways here between this trading range of $6 and $9. So I would say, if you're going to buy, this is the best opportunity you can get. You're getting it nice and cheap. I remember APLD had bad earnings and it dropped. It dropped to like $4, and now it's at what, 15? So it was nothing more than a opportunity to buy the dip. So I would say, if you want to take the risk and you really do believe in this, this is the buy zone right here. This is the opportunity to, like, you just got given a huge discount, because now you don't have to buy at 9 or at 10. You were given the opportunity to buy at a massive discount. You're still getting from where it was to where it is right now, a 25% discount, which is that's what we're about. We're about getting those discounts. And this is the perfect. Am I going to buy? No. Am I going to alert? No. I think it's a little risky because of the disappointing forecast and the miss on top of that. But the EPS miss, just to be clear. But we also got some sell ratings hitting this. But it's not just that. It's that a lot of people are betting on this one because of its collaboration with NVIDIA. SoundHound also had a collaboration with NVIDIA. What's the other one? There was another one. There were a bunch of stocks that NVIDIA invested in, and then they pulled, they got out of it. And those stocks tanked. So you have to be very, you have to just be aware that if NVIDIA decides to, hey, NVTS, we're going to break it off, like hypothetically, if that happens, just be prepared for like a 30% drop, because that's what happened with SoundHound, and that's what happened with I forgot the other one. What was there was another one that I can't think of the name. I can't think of the other one's name. Yes, SoundHound. Let me see if I can find that gap. There's that gap down right here. Yeah, there was that big gap. I remember this because a lot of people were like, "Oh my God, what happened?" So, like, it can drop another 25% plus, if that. Like, that's a risk that you just have to be aware of and be willing to take on. Like, the moment you buy this stock, you are saying, I am aware of the risks and I'm okay with taking these risks. I'm aware that if Nvidia decides to pull out, Nvts will drop, because a lot of people are doing what? They're betting on this because it's backed by Nvidia. So that's just a risk that you need to keep in mind. Other than that, if we're looking at the pure technicals, it's a buy down here at the bottom, as close to the bottom of the range as you can get. As for patterns to abuse, I mean, the pattern is very clear. Trading range, buy low, sell high, right? That's the classic. This is probably like the easiest kind. These are the easiest kind of trades because it's so obvious, right? Anyone who tells you can't buy as close to the bottom as possible, I don't know if you can time the exact bottom, but you can buy as close to the bottom as possible by simply waiting for it to come down to the bottom of the range. And this is the top of the range. I mean, we can even just draw another rectangle up here because we really do get a lot of selling pressure right around here. And we'll turn that red. There you go. You know, simple supply and demand. You got lots of demand from buyers here and plenty of supply up here. So it's a buy right now if you're willing to take the risk. I'm not going to alert in the Discord. Hell no. There are plenty of opportunities elsewhere. So, and it comes with that risk again. I've seen it before with SoundHound, and I forgot the other. It was a robo. I forgot the company's name. It was a company that delivers food via robots. I just can't remember the name. It's like on the tip of my tongue. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter. The point is, this is like the best opportunity right now on Nvts. If it works out, then this is nothing more. You're gonna look back at this as nothing more than a good day back opportunity. Let the people sell. You believe in it. Buy it. Hold it for 10 plus. As for strategy, again, the simplest, it's so simple. Buy low, sell high. Just be aware of the risks. All right, that's it for this episode of the Stock Market Show. Short, sweet, to the point. Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. And as always, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. That's it for this episode of the Stock Market Show. Again, if you want to join the private Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, guys. Crossing, I take my chance. Risk is managed, I let it